Fresh blueberries sit in a basket on a clean kitchen counter as morning light softly shines over them. Tiny bugs can be seen on the surface of the blueberries when viewed up close. A hand gently picks fresh blueberries from a bowl, preparing them for washing. Blueberries are rinsed under clean running water in the kitchen sink. Water droplets fall over the blueberries, making them look fresh and glossy. The blueberries float gently inside a glass bowl filled with clean water. A small pinch of salt is added into the bowl of blueberries and water. The blueberries are gently stirred in the salt water to help remove hidden bugs. Tiny bugs and particles slowly float to the surface of the water. A slotted spoon lifts the blueberries out of the salt water. The blueberries are poured into a colander, with water dripping through. The blueberries now look clean and fresh, completely free from bugs. The blueberries are placed on a soft kitchen towel to dry. Hands gently pat the blueberries to remove extra moisture. The clean blueberries are placed into a serving bowl, ready to enjoy. A top-down view shows the blueberries spread across a wooden kitchen counter. Sunlight highlights the freshness of the blueberries in a clear bowl. Slow water drops fall from the blueberries, creating a clean and refreshing look. A mother shows her children how to properly clean blueberries at home. The blueberries are arranged beautifully on a plate as a healthy snack. A breakfast bowl with yogurt and fresh blueberries is prepared on the table. A single blueberry covered in tiny water droplets is shown up close. The blueberries are carefully transferred from the colander into a serving bowl. A clear step-by-step breakdown shows the entire blueberry cleaning process. An animated view shows how tiny bugs leave the blueberries when they soak in water. A soft artistic view highlights the beauty of the clean, fresh blueberries. A kitchen setup displays blueberries, salt, and bowls arranged for cleaning. Blueberries drop into water with a gentle splash, creating a clean, refreshing moment.